Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Generac 22kW is probably one of the most reliable home backup generators on the market, offering peace of mind during power outages. This video dives deep into the features and benefits of the Generac 22kW, exploring its robust build, automatic transfer switch, and impressive power output. We'll cover everything from installation considerations to maintenance tips, helping you decide if this generator is the right choice for your home. Number 5. Generac 0J93230 SSM 20kW, 22kW SM Maintenance Kit. This is a genuine OEM Generac part. It ensures the quality and reliability you expect from the brand. This kit is designed to keep your generator running smoothly. The kit includes synthetic oil, providing superior engine protection. This helps to extend the life of the generator and reduce wear. It's an essential part of regular maintenance. This maintenance kit fits specific Generac engine models. It's important to verify compatibility with your generator. Using the correct parts ensures optimal performance. This kit simplifies the maintenance process. It contains everything you need for a standard service. Following the maintenance schedule is crucial for longevity. This kit is made with genuine OEM Generac parts. This guarantees the best fit and performance. You can trust it to keep your generator in top condition. What we like. This maintenance kit ensures your Generac generator runs smoothly. It includes genuine OEM parts, guaranteeing a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you prioritize the longevity and efficiency of your generator, you should consider this kit. It's the perfect solution for keeping your Generac in top condition. What people say. All items fit to 22kW generator perfectly. Perfect kit for a full service. Took less than an hour and kit included everything needed except tools. You'll need an elbow socket to get at the reed spark plug. Everything else was super easy. This kit had everything needed, with proper fitment of the plugs and air filter, and included high-quality synthetic oil suitable for a 20kW Honeywell Generac generator. Number 4. Generac Guardian 22kW Home Standby Generator with Transfer Switch. Are you tired of power outages? This Generac Guardian provides automatic whole house backup power. It ensures your home stays powered during storms and emergencies. With the Mobile Link Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily track the generator's performance from anywhere. You'll receive updates on its status and maintenance alerts, giving you peace of mind. The included 200-amp smart switch is designed for outdoor use. This ensures your entire home remains powered and protected during any power outage. This automatic transfer switch is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. It delivers lasting performance and ensures your investment will serve you well for years. The True Power technology delivers clean, stable 22,000 watts with low harmonic distortion. The low-maintenance engine runs quieter and uses less fuel for efficient, reliable home power. Proudly engineered and assembled in the USA, this generator is a testament to quality. The purpose-built G-Force engine is designed to handle the demands of usage, ensuring reliability and reduced maintenance. Generac recommends that your new home standby generator be installed by a certified and licensed electrician. This ensures the best performance and safety for your home. What we like. This generator offers peace of mind with remote monitoring, allowing you to check its status from anywhere. It provides whole house protection, ensuring your entire home stays powered during outages. If you are looking for a reliable, comprehensive power solution with advanced features, you should consider this. It's designed for those who value convenience and security. What people say. The generator kicked off and ran just fine. Automatically turned off once the power came back on. Generator worked flawlessly. Fired up in 10 seconds after the outage, ran smoothly providing electricity to the entire house and turned off automatically after utility power came back on. Number 3. Generac Guardian 10kW Home Standby Generator. Stay connected with the Generac 7172 Mobile Link Wi-Fi. This allows you to effortlessly track its performance from anywhere. You can stay updated on status and maintenance alerts, giving you peace of mind. Keep your home powered during outages with the 100-amp 16-circuit transfer switch. It's designed for seamless integration with whole house generators. The durable aluminum enclosure ensures reliable outdoor use and coverage. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this transfer switch delivers lasting performance. This ensures your investment will serve you well for years to come. True Power technology delivers clean, stable 10,000 watts with under 5% harmonic distortion. The low-maintenance engines run quieter and use less fuel for efficient, reliable home power. Proudly engineered and assembled in the USA, this generator stands as a testament to quality and craftsmanship. The purpose-built G-Force engine is designed to handle the demands of usage, ensuring reliability and reduced maintenance. Generac recommends that your new home standby generator be installed by a certified and licensed electrician. This ensures the safety and proper function of the system. What we like. With remote monitoring, you can stay informed about the generator's performance from anywhere. It offers whole-house protection, ensuring essential appliances remain powered. If you like a balance of power and efficiency for a smaller home or essential circuits, you should consider this. It's a great choice for those seeking reliable backup power. What people say. The generator kicked off and ran just fine. Automatically turned off once the power came back on. Generator worked flawlessly. Fired up in 10 seconds after the outage, ran smoothly providing electricity to the entire house and turned off automatically after utility power came back on. Number 2. Generac Guardian 22kW Home Standby Generator. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can effortlessly track its performance from anywhere. Stay updated on status and maintenance alerts, ensuring peace of mind even when you're away. Unlike other brands, this generator runs quieter during the self-test mode. It operates at lower RPM, saving fuel while maintaining peace and quiet for your home. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, it delivers lasting performance and peace of mind. This ensures your investment will serve you well for years. True Power technology delivers clean, stable 22,000 watts with under 5% harmonic distortion. The low-maintenance engines run quieter and use less fuel for efficient, reliable home power. Proudly engineered and assembled in the USA, it stands as testament to quality and craftsmanship. The purpose-built G-Force engine is designed to handle the demands of usage, ensuring reliability and reduced maintenance. Generac recommends that your new home standby generator be installed by a certified and licensed electrician. This ensures the generator is set up correctly and safely. What we like. This generator stands out with its quiet operation during self-tests, minimizing disturbance. It also offers remote monitoring, keeping you informed about its status. If you are looking for a generator that prioritizes both performance and noise reduction, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who value a peaceful home environment. What people say. The generator kicked off and ran just fine. Automatically turned off once the power came back on. Generator worked flawlessly. Fired up in 10 seconds after the outage, ran smoothly providing electricity to the entire house and turned off automatically after utility power came back on. Number 1. UPG Generator Maintenance Kit. Keep your generator running smoothly with the UPG Comprehensive Maintenance Kit. This all-in-one package includes everything you need to keep your equipment in top condition. The kit includes a comprehensive air filter replacement with a 2-quart bottle, motor and generator air filter, paper funnel, 2 spark plugs, oil filter, 30% more capacity, and oil wipe. It's designed for convenience and enhanced performance. This maintenance kit is compatible with 2013 present 10 kW, 26 kW air-cooled Generac Guardian Series, Synergy, Carrier, Bryant, Siemens, Centurion, and Eaton models. It's designed for optimal performance. The replacement parts, including engine oil and high-quality filters, ensure your generator runs efficiently. It's designed as a direct replacement for the 0J8478S model. By using this kit, you'll enhance the performance and longevity of your generator. This kit is designed to keep your generator running smoothly for years to come. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for generator maintenance in one package. It is compatible with a wide range of Generac models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you like a convenient, all-in-one solution for maintaining your generator's performance, you should consider this. It's designed to keep your equipment running efficiently. What people say. The generator is very quiet. The generator runs the entire house. The installation was very easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.